Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to remove myself from Facebook Business Manager. So first, open the Facebook Business Manager account. Second, click on Business Settings. Third, on the left column, click on Business Information. And the fourth, scroll down and click on Leave Business Manager Name. And last, confirm that you want to leave the Facebook Business Manager. Now, you have been removed from Facebook Business Manager. This method should work whether you have admin access or a lower access level in the Business Manager. Keep in mind that if you remove yourself from Facebook Business Manager, you will most likely lose access to any business assets that have been connected to this Facebook Business Manager. These business assets can include Facebook pages, Facebook ad accounts, Facebook apps, and Facebook pixels. So if you still want to have access to any of these, then I would suggest you should rather ask the Business Manager admin to modify your access to the Business Manager. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.